how to get legendary marketer said funnels so you can start promoting legendary marketer products, guys. Hi, my name is Pankaj Singh, and in this video I will show you exactly how to get legendary marketer said funnels, or you can say legendary marketer funnel or legendary marketer sales funnel so you can start promoting legendary marketer products, guys. But guys, before telling you this, I just want to say that if you are a beginner and know nothing on how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, then guys, down below I have put the link of my own ebook where I have revealed exactly what you need to do on starting your own affiliate marketing business step by step, right? So yes, if you want to learn how to start your own affiliate marketing business, then yes, down below I have put the link and check out my ebook. Right, guys? So now without any delay, let I show you how to get legendary marketer said funnels, or how to get legendary marketer sales funnel so you can start promoting legendary marketer product, right, guys? So guys, here as you can see, I'm already logged in into my legendary marketers account. So as you log in into your legendary marketer account, so what you need to do, you need to go here. You can see that affiliate tabs. So click on that. And guys, here you can see funnels, right? So click on that. So here guys, they are, you can say, offering you, you can say 5 products, right, that are low ticket item, right, from $1 to $1.99. But at the back end there are, you can say, high priced item, right, or you can say there are products that are of high price, but it's you can say these 5 products are of, you can say, low ticket, right? So guys, let's assume that I'm going to promote this one, 15-second free leads, right? So this is the product and that I'm going to promote. So here can see that affiliate links. So here you will be able to see, yeah, it's a page, right, capture page you can see, right, or you can say landing page, right, and it's a checkout page, right. So guys, let's assume that I'm going to promote this product, and guys, this is, you can say, low ticket product of legendary marketer, where like if someone wants to buy that product, then he or she has to pay $1. It's a low ticket product, but at the back end there are high priced product, guys, right? So guys, here let's assume that I'm going to promote this one. So guys, what's the good thing about legendary marketer? They are giving you funnel, guys, customized funnel, meant to say you don't have to create funnels or website by yourself, right? They have created the funnels or website on behalf of you. All you need to do is you need to download that exact funnel or that website inside your ClickFunnels account. Yes guys, for downloading this exact funnel, right, you need to have ClickFunnels account. And guys, if you don't know what is ClickFunnels, then let I tell you a little bit about ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a software, it's a simple drag and drop software through which you can create professional looking landing page, squeeze page, and you can create sales funnel in any niche. Here you don't need to know any coding language or HTML language or Java language, right? It's a simple drag and drop software, right? By the way, if you don't have this ClickFunnels account, then yes, down below I'm putting the link so that you can go and check out. And good thing is that this ClickFunnels comes with 14 days free trial, right? So there is no harm to try this ClickFunnels for 14 days absolutely free. So down below putting the link so that you can go and check out, right? So yes guys, this is, you can say this is required that you need to have ClickFunnels account to download this exact funnel inside your ClickFunnels account. Right. So guys, now here let's assume that I'm going to promote this one, 15-second free leads. So for that, can you see that custom funnels? So I will go here, custom funnels, and now here guys, can you see that legendary bridge funnel, right? Actually it's a funnel for promoting 15-day challenge, right? And this is another business builder challenge funnel, right? So here and this is another funnel that I can download inside my ClickFunnels account, right? It's Insider's Guide to Affiliate Marketing. It's an ebook, right? And copywriting playbook. Yeah, this is another, you can say, product, right? Or you can say this is another funnel that I can download if I want to promote this exact product. Yeah, consider 15-second free leads, guys. So guys, yes, they are also giving you the video, and that you can go and watch that how to download this exact funnel inside your ClickFunnels account, right? So if you want, then you can watch, right? So guys, now here, can you see that? So this is the exact link, or you can say shared funnel link, legendary marketer shared funnel link to promote this 15-second free lead. So what I need to do, I need to just copy, right? Copy, and now here I need to paste it, guys. So what will happen, guys? Like if you are already having ClickFunnels account, guys, right? So all you need to do, you just need to log in into your ClickFunnels account, and this exact funnel will be downloaded inside your ClickFunnels account. But if you don't have your ClickFunnels account, then yes, what you need to do, by submitting your email and password, right? And then here you need to click on that, and then after creating your ClickFunnels account, this exact funnel, right? You can see the preview. This exact funnel will be downloaded inside your ClickFunnels account, right? So as in my case, I have already my ClickFunnels account. So what I will do, I will go and click on that. I am already a ClickFunnels user, right? So here I will submit my email, right? And here I will put my password and then login. That's it, guys. Can you see that, guys? So guys, now here what I need to do, I need to click on that button that says add funnel. So I'm just going to click on that add funnel, right? So you can see it is being downloaded, right? Yes, guys. Now I can see the preview of this funnel, right? And you can see it has been downloaded inside my ClickFunnels account. So I can see the preview. So yeah, that's it, guys. Right, guys? Can you see that, guys? So guys, if I want to promote this exact product, so what I need to do, guys, let I show you. I just need to come here. Can you see that funnels? So I will come here, funnel, and I will go 15-second free leads. So here I will come and I will grab my affiliate link. Yeah, this is my affiliate link. Copy. So what I will do, I will go edit page. Right. So can you see that button, and then it's a gear button. Yeah. Here I will go set action. Can you see that? Go to next step in funnel, or I can choose this one, go to website URL. So yes, what will happen? Yes, now here I'm going to put my affiliate link, enter, and then I want to open this in new tab or new window, right? Now that's it, and now save, guys. So guys, what will happen when someone lands on my landing page, or you can say this page, if that very person submit his name and email address and click on that button, then that very person immediately will be directed to my offer that I am promoting, that is 15-second free link. Let us show you. So yep, save, and now let's see the preview. So guys, this is final, right? So now here can you see that my name and my email address, right? So now if I click, so you can see that, guys, this is my affiliate link, and now guys you can see that, right? So this is final page, right? Or you can say sales page. If someone decides to buy this, and if he or she buys, I will make commission, guys. Right, guys? And just guys, one more thing that I want to add here, like for example, right, I want to store their name and email address inside my autoresponder. So yes, I need to connect this exact funnel with my autoresponder so that I can collect the emails, I can collect the name, so that I can build my email list. And you know that building email list is like building your digital asset online, guys. So guys, this is very important. Collect emails, right? So guys, now here can see that settings and integration. So here I will go click on that integration. Now here I need to pick my autoresponder. So as in my case it is ConvertKit, right? I have integrated my autoresponder with ClickFunnels first, and then I need to integrate it with my funnel and this funnel, right? So now integration. Now I have picked my autoresponder. Then I need to pick a form that I have created inside my autoresponder account, right? It is ConvertKit. By the way, if you want to check out ConvertKit, then down below I'm also putting the link so that you can check out, right? Now from here I need to pick a list from where I want to send the emails to my subscriber, right? So let me pick any list. Let's assume, let's pick this one. Okay, now consider connected. So my autoresponder is connected with my funnel. So what will happen if someone put his name and email address, then his name and email address will be stored into my autoresponder account, and from there I can send emails to my subscriber promoting my stuff, providing value, building a relationship with my subscriber, guys. Right, guys? So guys, now you know how to get legendary marketer sales funnels, or how to get legendary marketer sales funnels, so you can start promoting legendary marketer products, guys. Right, guys? So guys, now do let me know if there is anything that you want to ask, right? I would be so happy to answer you. Right down below you can ask your question, right? And yes, guys, if you want to know more about on how to start your affiliate marketing business, so guys, go and subscribe to my channel, and yes, also hit that bell button so that you can get a notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing. So if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, then guys, go and subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell button so that you can get the notification, right, guys? So yes, guys, this is all about for today, right? So thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.